What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Level Up Classics. Today, we're going to remove the taillights and center reflector of my Porsche 964. So get those deck lids opened. First off, hit that subscribe button, then grab a screwdriver. And we're going to remove these 3 screws here. Tip here. When you're unscrewing these screws, hold down the little black oval piece so it doesn't rotate, because these pieces are old and if it spins, it might crack your plastic. Move over to your first taillight, either side. Remove the screw. It's long, so keep spinning. Once the screw's out, pull the taillight outwards towards you, not towards the back of the car. Now leave the taillight and go do the other side. Looking from above, grab a small flathead, or you can use your fingers, but it's gonna hurt a little bit. Gently pry the ears of the connector off the taillight assembly. Be really careful not to break the connector clips. Just take your time. Next, pull the ventilation tube off the assembly. Tip again. Use your nails to scrape the end of the tube and pull from the very end of the tube. These tubes are super old, and you can see mine just ripped right off. For the center reflector, this part takes some massaging. There's a foam adhesive tape on the top and back of the reflector. We're going to be lifting up the reflector little by little. There are 3 hooks on the back of the reflector, left, middle, and right side. Tip again, do not pull the reflector outwards towards you. You're going to break off all the hooks. Once you get the reflector off, pull the ventilation tube off the car. Now once again, unplug the wiring connector here by lifting the clips and gently pulling out the connector. Here's a better look at the hooks on the center reflector. These hooks commonly break off. 1 was broken on this car and 2 were broken on my other car. Now that these are off, if you want to change your light bulbs, you can twist and replace the bulbs as needed. Here's the brake lights and blinkers. And on the center reflector, here's the reverse lights. That's all I have for you today, so make sure you stay tuned, hit that subscribe button down below, and like this video. Thank you for watching, and support my channel by checking out some of my links below. And remember, keep leveling up.